consider in your planning after you decide the overall area is where do you want to position the controls of your piece. Why is this important? Well, you want, if possible, access to it from the outside. As you can see here, I could have the controls also in this area and have access to it from the outside, but I don't have access here to the controls. I don't have access in the back to the controls from the outside. So you may want to have them here or here to have access to them. But the second very important thing to consider is that your machinery, your pump, and your access for service is going to be right below the controls. So the question is, how do you want, or how do you are going to have access to that machinery next to it? In my case, these planks removable, but another option would be to put the controls over here or over here and have access to the machinery from the outside. But then I would be sacrificing the access to the controls, to the top controls on top. I didn't do that. I rather sacrificed the service access, putting these removable pieces. But that's the number two thing that you have to consider when positioning your new spa.